ready to take the Super Shockwave jet truck down our drag strip right here at Palm Beach International Raceway. Now we're right here in the announcement booth. We can feel the heat. It is intense. I'm sure you can feel it up here in the bleachers. It's amazing. There's nothing I can say. You are feeling the intensity of Shockwave as we speak right now. There he goes. You feel it all the way through the bleachers. Shockwave's gonna let it rip in 2 seconds here. Get ready. I'll tell you what, the Super Shockwave is so impressive. That is totally incredible.